Sa abayo ye friend Akosua Manu. Na oye edwuma bi a na eye edwuma a sebio omubu nkofo edi nkofo dwirim. Na oka sa edwuma no ho. Sa edwuma no ye bete ne to a ye behu se omabon nkofo kro no awia Ghanafo dodo sika edi den atro akere omo no na otwe ne ho trom na okọ join NPP. O join NPP adekudie ntia mam benya NPP card ne se one Mark Manu ba kọtwe mpena ma ne di no ma ne be wo ye. Na o se ne yere no e de man NPP card. Mameka bi nchira mo ye ne. You people were thinking, say, Yabeko, Yanko Bibia, because of fools like you NPP people. Also, for some time, you're very civil power. Yeah. Because you realize, say, we are not in competition with anybody. The country is cruising, and it's cruising positively. And see, what we need to do is to educate Ghanaians for them to know, say, I was say MPP, it's not opposition for 42 years. And see, you have seen, say, we are not even stressing too much. We are just educating. We are breaking things down. We are making the facts clear. That is what we are doing here. Say, the other side, it is there. It is still sitting. When we have to activate, we will activate it. But for now, we are going to be civil in our presentation. We are going to focus more on educating Ghanaians on the policies and decisions of this government. Ghana for positively, creating opportunities, making sure say we have confidence in the system. But yene ye kocha mansa ye tonsioma ye won sinsan na wo ho ebia ya shata ade guso. And when it has to be activated, we will activate it. But for now, we try to be civil because there's no competition in the system. Now, this is one story I want us to talk about, and it's still on the NPP as a political party. Good evening to Mr. Kyeremanten. Thank you for forming the new UP. Good evening to Kennedy Japan for your resilience. Check your wings, check your wings. Akompre kwa na epe eye Kennedy na eko mu wiaye ade bi ade beye mo no me say akompre kwa na epe mo de munya mistake na monka se day of election mu bewiem e wona bo say ye ne akompre kofo because my imagine say bewiem oh mo de former appointees abegum mo na eye appointee bi kan ye ne e be kire we me say mo de mo ye mema Bawumia ne nkwara no Samira ne nkwara no mo de mo na mo se mo wiase sika nyina mo ye okay mo de mo famra election day ho na mo behu showdown mo papa mo je se de bia na betuma twi nipa afa so de bia na mo betumi etietie nipa fa are hu die so Kyeremanten compete mo na mo pai the candidate ne supervisor ne representative ni mo pai ni to Kyeremanten. He did not say anything. Mo wie ye na mo didi na tem Alan otwe ne ho din and the what in the party. Na ya ne akompre kofo mo de monya ma adwene se mo bewiem mo wini ne free and fair ye nka bibia na mo de oya bema wo MPP mo so executive ye bewiem na ya sa be wini executive no de oya bema na o wiem. Me, I know the NPP will stay in opposition for 42 years, it's a fact, but I want free fair elections in the NPP and nobody can steal the elections. Obieni wo bewiem Akompre kwa Japan enso compete, and he deserves every right to make sure the elections, it is free and fair. Nobody can tilt the scale. Me as I sit here, Kennedy Onyamadamfo, Kennedy lead MPP 50 years on to me we need power, the same as Bawumia, but at least I want the elections to be fair. If Kennedy wins, I have my own agenda towards him. If Bawumia wins, I have my own agenda towards him. Intimeno, I don't care who wins, but at least I want people to understand, say, party no MPP and you be dia, and your Bawumia dia, and your Kufuado dia, and your party in dia, and Kennedy Japan is an integral member of the NPP. Into elections should be free and fair. Now, because you nim dia mo pesa mo ye. And as a member of the great MPP, me a member who me a buzi afo ni bia me a member. Enti yani buzi afo ya dan wo MPP mu no, we will make sure say at least people who are contesting in any position in the party, no, free and fair, no, at least a year juma. In this obia and I say, yene we sika kese, yene yebewiem, yene the delegates abeshem, yene we are here. And maka 24 hours to the final election day, no, but the obia figure bebre no. Enti Bawumia camp there, I know you think say mubewiem. And I know your plans ni nyina. Mubewiem aba Bawumia. Election day, mubebotuo. Mubewia election efri nkurase. And that Accra ni Kumasi you stay away. When you say Eastern region, by the champ be messing up kakra. But you have targeted some very, very deep regions. Mujin say you can rig from there. We know all that. Media, me align Kyeremanten boy. I am happy UP is up. At this point, me a floating member of the NPP. All that I need is to make sure the elections are free and fair. Sir Mahamudu Bawumia dare to rig the election, we will nullify the party. I swear to God. Sir Mahamudu Bawumia dare on any this current executives. Mo dare some of the rig elections now. And wallahi. We will shut the party down and make sure there's no political party. Because we cannot be living with this kind of tyranny, suppression, this kind of typical clear hatred towards some party members. We will not live with that. It is either the elections are free and fair or we nullify the party. Obian chen obi our party nim. Bawumia no obetu nipa wa party nim. Mahamudu Bawumia obetu nipa wa party nim. Onye nipa enchen obia. All that we are calling for is free and fair. Because if we are going to come into a second election, Nani Pebe Omajin say they stole the first one, they are going to steal the second one, that it is better the party is nullified. It's a party niwa and but for the party to exist, for people to at the end of the day enjoy from the diabolic strategy of the power there, it will never happen. Dini yahwa wo Bawumia ene wo MPP ene Nana B mu ne General Secretary ade ebesi no I will dedicate my channel elections na mo beye no every corner in Ghana I will cover it. Me the free and fair na mepe. As much as you people cannot come to power in the next 42 years, free and fair elections na mepe. I don't care about Kennedy, I don't care about Bawumia, I don't care about anybody. I want free and fair elections. Now there also a bear mana on the winyiska. On the audience so bet me a bully nipa. On election day, I better do a bear ma party. Say you try to say you try you bet you try. It is better we all die and leave the party to just sit. Yeah. Me MPP ni ma paname kasano. And the election day be boy hu tuo. Ye be kun ye hu. We are a party we all would die and leave the party. Share Mojabe Shiegu NPP election day. Would you say Jimmy? Would you say party netimno? You answer. We are going to make sure free and fair elections happens in January. Obia where internal NPP problem. Government of the day, leave us. Do not interfere in our politics. The government of the day, we can handle ourselves. Yene enyende ene start kontokwa enyende ene start kun ye ho yene ku JB dankwa yene ku eyedien jonkuma yene ku eyedien ye ku nipa asre. So this is not new. What is about to happen in January, it is not new. So we expect the government to stay away. Let us deal with our own matter. We just want free and fair elections. That's it. Now there's all your bearman on the uncle find the boy Simbra say ye the omoko police station omo be suppress it. Nipa bi wo party nim. Ye be hwe de be ma party nim. Now, this is a story I want us to talk about. What you say? Akompre kwa na ye pe. Watch your wings. They be an mon check my wings. Yani Kennedy for no. Yet said Didier Drogba. We shall non kwa say. Akompre kwa na ye pe. Watch your wings. Watch your wings. akompre kwa na yepe. We Kennedy ni na o sha Kennedy ni a o say Didier Drogba no akompre kwa na yepe. Free and fair eno kwa na ye twen. We don't want to fight anybody. They also a bear man on try BB. Now, Mahamudu Bawumia akasa. Dr. Bawumia pledges to unite all contenders after NPP primary, securing 2028 victory. Yes, Bawumia say, "Onwo wini wia na almost sini pe wie no, omo wie no, abotuo abo party ma wie no, owi obeka obi abom." Bawumia just see nyina ye Jimmy. Listen to this guy. This is Mahamudu Bawumia.
Yeah, I want to say, your party mo. Ye here in Kabom. Ye here in Kaboma, ye de call winning 2028 election. Ye here in Kabom pa. Media me obia, me pen Kabom. Enti mutie me kasa, min kasantia obiao. Min didi obia tem. Me chrema drink. Because minim say, mudi frank ane shemesa. Ma fre ubia se ombembe kame ho na ye nyina kopre enje tumi no enti udidi obi atem na ofre no a obeba omba enti min didi obi atem mudi franka ne chemisa me hyem bo se mafka obia abom na yakọ akoje tumi no
enti na edru Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so mo se yensesa no adenti abusuafo mu ni nyina nya adwene na ye nyina yanko benklom
enim tantantan bi wedim tantan wedim sa doa Mahmoud Bawumia say ono de onkasenti obi ondidi atem enti sesia no mom yankoto aba na menwiem na executives na omo nyina time chi no yenwiem register na ye biem no yenwiem ye wia na omo ne call competition na ya tete omo nkofo ye di omatem egu omo hu fi no ye wia me de mendi obi atem timi wia na masako kan omo aboa te semponche no ma bedi mechi ne makodi president aboa toriwa ye ti krom ha ena Mahamudu Bawumia nkwara omo di nechi endo me bobi kire mu a whole spokesperson for Bawumia oba also a doctor osekede de Japan wa bodam na adwene nsisi so ye te ya ena brantia ne sisu nyina no esoro de nyina enye papa sa akoka no obo ne se esoro de ne betu me na me catch am swearing so oya bema onso ne sisu esoro de no wusu de sei koka wo se de ende no nam ho no na kwasia we kwatena radio so edidi Kennedy Japan atam say ye bie na adwene so Mahamudu Bawumia nkasa countless insult and attacks on Kennedy Japan's person. Ebesinde Kennedy responded obia a typical example ni aponchina ne sise de ejina so etu si so no a ose oye bono regional chairman no aponche ba no wakansam Mahamudu Bawumia ene hyenechi he has never mounted any stage to say hey, I know you people support me, I know you people want me to become flag bearer, I am begging you, enough is enough of the insult. Bawumia ntimi bie na no enkasa se sa entwaboa na omudi ne chi no atenie na omudi Kennedy na Kennedy in respond no omunjai Mahamudu Bawumia concert man we dwin say ye Jimmy refraps dirty people, ignorant fools in the NPP today because of politics, because Bawumia ne wife Samira ono na handle Bawumia se koliko enti what Samira wants is what Bawumia would do. Nensako kromotisha Bawumia to ena onunu ne tote sedek alewa sha Bawumia to into oye nensase na Bawumia sa Samere de nensako kromoti ewura Bawumia to o de nensako kromoti Samere eye Samere o de nensako kromoti we ena oye say ena o de ewura Bawumia to ena oye se na Bawumia sa nyansa also o de kansam ema akomato yem no ontumi nka every say na yire na manipulate no what he has to do. Mahamudu Bawumia entumi and take it one day and say obia officially wagina radio so TV so on Facebook akasa o campaign amameno mema wanu ntia Kennedy Japan but this clown et bigina TV so ka say I say omudi Kennedy Japan atemu wie atani ni mfiri menum So omo yiyani wie, omo gunu hu fi wie, na ye bone nkofo wie a because emfiri menum nti enya me na me ye be wie a mesa ma Kennedy abedi mechi sa aboa na makopre akonwa. Bawumia hu MPP fo so mo agimi. Samere ode intosua kan nsa ho say ena ode ahye Bawumia to ena oye te sa alewa ena Bawumia namna into to no ye say Samere Bawumia cannot take decisions as a man. Now when you be contest in the same political party. Na enkofo mu di wechi se omo support every day, every night, every morning. They are denigrating a man you know has helped the party before. A man who has been an integral member of the party. He might have his own flaws, which every day I will say. But how do you leave this your dogs? How do you leave this your filthy munafikis, dirty riffraffs to every single day be denigrating this man? And you turn around to say, Kennedy, I never can yo into me wia, mi wie mu wia, mi wie sika ni wia, na ma frau Kennedy aboa na we dimichi akofre power. Na wo yere samere e de nsa ahye woto na onunu woto te sa lewa. Inti ye jimi nti ni ye nyina so edi wechi akodi power. Munafiki. Munafiki. Meko. Nobody can distract me. In this job, I know the psychological part, I know the emotional part. Nobody in the MPP can distract me. What I want to do is what I do. Yeah. Inti, you people should not see me as a rookie or some new horn in this game. I've been in this game for long. It will take a lot of energy to distract me. Inti, I want Bawumia to understand. You cannot take us for granted. Nipa bi amudi Kennedy chino, almost wo ma, almost wo integrity, almost wo feelings, almost wo ayerenom, almost a deserve respect. Na won kan unwan no ngu abontin mo mun kodi atem. Na won begina nka say media mi ndi atem. Inti mi wie a omo a yakosey omudin no, me de omu nyina beba together na mo beba me ene me yere Samere akodi president. Na Kennedy oyedwaboa. Kennedy wajimifo. Na nkofo na omo bibia to odi Kennedy echi say your party yamwa na kebima min kebi nkoye na yento aba na yenyi panyini endi anim no. Oyi so mo yankwasiafo. Na omo di wo ba obi echi no, why na wo mu a ochen omo di Kennedy echi? Inye MPP for. Why should it be like that? Abronya to me tina TV's Facebook. Akwa ne hu finja ne siase. Oba na otumi kisi abronya ma de echi no. Wo oba no obetuma kisi koto. Obetuma kisi otwen. Oba oni abronya de ma de echi se ma fe na no. Wo sa oba no obetuma dibini. Hwe nipa no, hwe na no, hwe ne num. Na oba da ho se me ni we ada sorry. Me de manu atua na no. E de se wo de wanu atua ofuito. Hwe ne num. Na akwa wetumi tina Facebook. Adentira ye nyina political party nti mamingu Kennedy hufi without any evidence, not a single document. Not a single document to say sakrata we na chese Kennedy aboa, Kennedy kromfo, not a single document. Why? And you Bawumia look on and sa ofui etuwe or no party no woman or your regional chairman o. Onye a mere party communicator. Sa ofui to no. Abronya na ne num se ofui to no or your party regional chairman or se odiwechi. You want to tell me you've not heard it? Or yere Samere obeso chem so manti. And you people are enabling mad people in the name say party no dankwa for dia ye yekufo adonko for until we will suppress the strategy yekufo ado ye edi Paula Foko edi wi a party no sika edi making sure so we win flag bearer no. That is the same 4-4-2 formation you want to play. Mo Jimmy. You think the party belongs to you? You people think, say, the party, so today you want to hijack the party. Free and fair elections. If Kennedy Japan is going to go down, he's not going to go down as a loser. He's not going to go down as somebody who was intimidated. He's not going to go down as somebody who was disrespected. Kennedy Japan is not going to go down as a fool. He is going to fight to the last. and he will make sure the right thing is done. I have my problems with him. When I meet him, I'll deal with him. But as I speak now, the NPP needs free and fair elections. It's either Kennedy gets free, fair elections, or we collapse the party. It's fact. Because we cannot hand the party over to you people who think, say, the party is a bona fide property. No. The NPP is going to be in opposition for 42 years. It does not matter who leads it. But as far as it's a democratic party, the elections are supposed to be free and fair. Mahmoud Bawumia ko Kumasi. Nobody came to meet Bawumia, and he gave the excuse. He said, "Oh, was because of Asante Hema's funeral." Oboa. Nobody met Bawumia. The Kumasi people rejected him. Almost a whole bong, and in quotes, a whole bong or a politician on kind of kre. Inti yenu anama Santefo MPP for ehu omuso omumbi ejimi no omukura eni ete. He gave the excuse to say, "Oh, Oko Kumasino, the reason why the people didn't meet him was because Nana Hima, Nana Hima, Ade, na Oba, no, Nana Hima, Umurada. Now we need Nana Hima, na Oba. Mahmoud Bawumia, against only Nyan Sachen Ubia. And there's a group, Omaba Bontina Kasa, almost say, call Bawumia to order now. Group of LPP constituency executives petitions the party over what they describe as, in quote, his religious undertones during his campaign. And the MPP for Mr. S, get me the video, Mr. S. Mr. S, I want the video. Mr. S, get me this video. And the party executives in B, Aba Bontina Betro petition about party say, hey, yenina party ma, yenina party muni wo, Monka Sanche Bawumia. Wabaya campaign where your district, wabaya campaign your region. So share kukuma sa religious undertone mi yenkremoni no mon kanche ni se onjai and the MPP for ehun Bawumia subain. And the NPP executives are coming out to tell MPP ni say, hey, the Bawumia ye no sa party campaign na o ye no mon chen se ontwe ne ho free ho. If you say sa obesia MPP for kukuom na oye yeah, me yenkremoni, me yeteni, me yenkremoni, montomamino. Party for natural petition, come party and say, hey, Mahmoud Bawumia, on to chasa and someone so. Because they all, or they say party, no. This is what they said. Thank you, Mr. S, for bringing this in. Thank you very much, team.
We have today formally submitted a petition to the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, MPP, expressing our deep concern over what we consider a dangerous and divisive turn in the ongoing campaign by one of our party's presidential hopeful in the person of Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. On Wednesday, October 15, 2025, during his tour in the City East constituency in the Bono East region, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia made deeply troubling statement, including assertion, and I quote, "Some people are saying that because I am a Muslim, I should not be voted for." This statement, which we believe to be wholly unfounded and fabricated, it is not only a reckless attempt to court religious sympathy, but also sows the seeds of religious division, something that our dear party, MPP, has always stood firmly against. We find these comments to be a gross violation of the guidelines and ethical principles set by our dear party and its respected Council of Elders, which warns against religious or ethnic campaigning. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia repeatedly used this religious identity to garner votes, which threatens the unity of our party, and it can cause mayhem in the party, both Christian and Muslim fraternity. I want us to be clear here. Can Dr. Bawumia produce any credible evidence that such statements or sentiments have been expressed within the party or the general public? Number two, how does he intend to unify the country or even the party when he is introducing such divisive narratives? Lastly, and if, as we fear, this tactics backfires, will the damage not borne by the entire party and its eventual flag bearer? This is not the first time that Dr. Bawumia is recorded in such tactics ahead of 2024 general elections. He made it clear to the party that he was ready to win the Muslim community votes. And this affected some of the Christian communities in the country during the 2024 general elections. We are raising this red flag now, not because of, or not out of malice or jealous, but out of the love we have for our dear party and the democratic principles that we uphold. The MPP is a party of unity, inclusiveness, progressive values. We cannot and must not allow religious sentiments to be a campaign tool. We call on the party leadership, especially the General Secretary of our party, to act decisively and call Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to order. His actions, if not left unchecked, may cause apathy within the party. And MPP, if you want to lead the party, it doesn't determine, or your leadership of the party doesn't determine where you are coming from or your religious background. So, as they say, a stitch in time says 9.
So, we are executives of the party. Almost sene. Almost Bawumia baho. Ebeye campaign. Na Bawumia ebeye campaign no. Diomu we say Mahmoud Bawumia campaign message nyina ne say oye nkremoni. Yantuma no oye teni oye nkremoni. Na Christopher mo party no emududu na nya papa. Enti bebi ogina ne de senefo no omfa tumi ne ma no se ne be ya se bi omoso asefo ye nkremufo no ono enkodi eye tumi omse daabi se bi omo bi ye nkremufo na omo nyina ye party ma na senia Mahamudu Bawumia se bi ne kasa ne neye ene nyoma bi a oka eba se oye ne campaign wokukuo ma ha omo efri se de Bawumia eye no odi inyiyimu ni mpapemu ni ndwedwemuo or say party ne bu party ni kom or the party no enkrabia etwi na tiem wa ma party na koye party bia ende amanfo won ntwedede ama ende party no so man kasemu a de Mahamudu Bawumia ene ni team no ene de omo ye no ebema party no edi akoa edi ebim edi amoa ama party ni ntumi ngina na nanso enye Ghanafo akono inti omo ye executives yi omo say omo pay ma ka kire party mpenifo Oma kache general secretary kache party mpenifu omujine party no ho se omo ni Mahamudu Bawumia nkasa pa efri se sebio eye ne niye bi ne nsam keke bi ene ne nyome bi a oya odi tietia nipa bi fa ahodie so odi me yankremodi senkofuo bi a omo so omo bu omo se sebio so omo yankremofo kra omo ye Ghana fo ye NPP fo omo ye eye Christopher no omo hu ni se eye nimtia ema osom a eye Christo som and even in cremosom. No more dear, omuto monumtuo. Yabesia, ye say, Yakrana ekronsio. Sebio in penifone kaye, say, Sebio aquara or the ekabebefiano, or ti a janwa na or bo edia bodia besia. Almost akaye, say, Yachicha bitiano, nani chano, enche ne akotwaba. Na can yinako say, Sebio, se beifo betua na jo. Now be street light so ye bet na ketekete de anka beifo no kra fa train anka ye akwa ba no ate enti de omuka nyina se ye ne Bawumia nkasa o say party ni wom o didi party na se o gu party no o ma party ni esi ntwedede o say party ni wokukuom enti mpenifo ene Mahamudu Bawumia nkasa we ye MPP fo ete se me ankasa. How did we get here? One person. Omukanya can say, even Aboagye to na saying 2024 no, Mahamudu Bawumia de kokwasa. Eye de osom mi nkremoni, mi yetani, ena ode ye ne campaign ewo kukuom a efa homa party mu dwudwa ye tete ya. Party ne ntuma fa ne ntuma panfra ama omukodi intwo bi nsi ewo party eye politics mu Ghana da. Omote saade no. Ne no se yansia no na yambo esebio na no anhye ne yemu a Mahamudu Bawumia ode kakra obema sebio jollof adane ye KVIP Enti eye party mpanifo executives ene de omano asem abetudwa. Na mibuso executives ya chro eye letter komo mo party office yi. Omo no mo ne Bawumia nama. Omo ne Bawumia di nkomo kire Bawumia de onka. Enti saa de we amode akọ national yi enya de be yedwuma. Efi se Alan Kojo Kyeremanten kra oba party mu gya Bawumia. Odi ne sika share party mu gya Bawumia. Owo enimunyam chen Bawumia no. Oko election with Bawumia ye pai ni nipa ba ko ani. Eye party mpenifo ka se inform ho. Enti de na kire se Mahamudu Bawumia saa de a oye otwetwe party na se or say party ni wom obu party na nimtia twetwe tete nipa bi ntam twetwe nipa bi na ase asai nipa bi o party nim ade agitumi de na kire se Mahamudu Bawumia ade a modi akoto mpenifo anim no ombetu hu anamon we ni nsema ya tenasia e wo se edi hu nkomo party na sei Mahamudu Bawumia na samere omagye party na ta omani ase ena mu bu nipa nimtia omudi nipa atem omudi omosom sei party no ende MPP ni nya akono ama MPP executive kra ato omanum tuo we eni asema sei party no Bawumia sei party no empenifo a omo executive di party ne chi no omo sei party no na ma asema me kenyina se eya me ya if say ensema omudi atudwe eya ensema sebio nyansa wompa na hwan na ekotu hu anamon hwan na ekotena se aka se we ye nokore if say partner say mi dwudwam ensema ye kenyina besi Mahamudu Bawumia ni dwirim ne bonni a odi o party ni ma we yi nani ahyehye nipa bi hwe ebia ni abayiwa we de ma MPP for ende asme no ka sei enkofo kasa se odi Bawumia chi obi di bonni wo MPP mu a ono energy sika eko beli nipa no sa abayiwa we yefra na Akosua Manu abayiwa we na oye edwuma bi a na eye edwuma a sebio omubu nkofo edi nkofo dwirim na okasa edwuma no ho sa edwuma no ye bete ne to a ebehu se omabon nkofo koro no awia Ghana fo dodo sika edi den atro akere omo no na otwe ne ho trom na okọ join NPP o join NPP adekudie ntia benya MPP card ne se one Mark Manu ba kotwe mpena ma ne di no ma ne be wo ye na o se ne yere no e de man MPP card oya kwara na hwene bode ni meche bini saa ba yiwa we ko MPP mu Akufo Addo ne yere ba power na okuta Akufo Addo yere bag handbag ni claim to fame ne say Mark Manu na oye MPP ni ba ene ne dae ene ma ne be ye MPP ni ba yere eno na e ma ne di MPP anim edien asem na ba yiwa bi na no aka because me kire Mahamudu Bawumia ni su ene ne ban onigu kwan ho no aba bebusa mo say hwan ne koneye ade a oye no ode sebio ateni ahyenkofo ano ode sebio oyaw ahyenkofo ano ena wahohoro ne to abegina so oyab sala abra onim se sebio ejanan na esi wo no ono ne twa ne to but wane awie abegina se ode den oye sala akosre onyankopon bonifache Bawumia ye nipa onka ne kure Akosua Manu oka Bawumia omo kasama Bawumia mu di Bawumia chi a ne campaign no odi mu tim man ede na waka o say Kennedy Japan, you are the biggest threat. Kennedy Japan is the biggest threat to Ghana's democracy. Abrayiwa we bi na ka che Kennedy say wo ye ka Ghana kebi mami kebia una ye busuefu a una hu ehu e wo Ghana kebi mami kebi mu una de ko nti okasa Kennedy Japan kan sem ye ndi obi atam Kennedy Japan kan sem ye ndi obi atam o say ono de 2024 elections no sibia na ekono na ye lose presidential na ye lose some parliamentary seats na edum pempenso bi ehu say ye lose presidential no but na e was senke ye twen na parliamentary ye kan ni nyina ewie ni ehu bebia ye wo enti Mahamudu Bawumia ba abontene ebeka se wagye eye den election atum no eye ne ya ohun se entwa ye efi se ye kopretum ye pre-presidential and parliamentary inti adenti na presidential se enkoye kura won twen ema ye wie parliamentary no na yenhu se we ni enyaye inti ono de senka ono se enka ono that means na enyo no senka ono enanka ye Bawumia anka onjintum ekopem se ya kan presidential akan parliamentary ewie eno no bone ben na Kennedy Japan aka ena Akosua Manu America chere se onkodi Kennedy Japan atam Saba you away person obey MP wa denta. Inti adia chia no patututu no kwatena Metro TV no so hwe. Me kasama Bawumia. Ye ka kebi mami kebu Ghana, kede Japan, or ye musiofo ye nipa ni hu okunipa. You can say you are a threat. You can say anybody is a threater. That person could be a murderer. That person could be an assassin. That person could be anything. And you can say you are a threat. You can say you're the sa word in the toswa. You represent everything. Akosua Manu at the end of the day. I also your bawo okunuda ne chino e begina TV so can say Kennedy. He represents everything dangerous. He's a threat to Ghana's democracy. How did we get here? How did we get here? What was the mistake if you decide to make sure election results are counted to the core? A dear mistake no. A dear bonnie. Say I can't election and can't we now we'll try me I can't in what makes you a danger to democracy? Some people decide to go out and wait and listen to results. Inti Kennedy can say, there's a fine way to address Kennedy Japan. But Bawumia on a year no, almost setting quite way up. And there Yan say, Kennedy Japan see super ma a war so chain. Akosua many way run one Kennedy became. Kennedy Japan start to pay ma. I was say or chain. Wa bojantra wo. Edim kwasiasem time na oya bema gina ne na se sia de ontumi ntu no pa time na oya bema a otumi gina eye ne kotodwe so bodogi no se ohun Akosua Manu na Akosua Manu awro no ho Kennedy betwam nti eye den na Akosua Manu ways Akosua Manu we na hwini se bini etumi gina ho edi Kennedy atem how Bawumia se we nyina wante. And I can show you so many statements from Bawumia Nkwara, the consistent insult. You see, consistently they have become consistent in insulting Kennedy Japan. They have become very consistent and comfortable with it. And Kennedy almost normal because the flag bearer they are following, the aspirant, he endorses that kind of thing. This is not politics. This is diabolism. Kennedy Japan is not a saint. We didn't kwasi pain. We didn't kwasi pain. But he does not deserve what he's getting. Kennedy has not been the perfect politician. He has his flaws. With Din Kwasi Asem, he has been corrupt at a point. But at least this is party politics. Let us take the personal attacks away and address Kennedy Japan. So was Kennedy a corrupter? Me, Sabetanka is a Kennedy a corrupter. I will prove to you what makes Kennedy Japan a corrupt politician. Sabekaze Kennedy or you'll be a own Nimraswa. I will show you evidence that just a Kennedy Nimraso. But not to just because of your pesa Bawumia bedi president or be a flag bearer. Anything that we throw at the guy. No, we am in mobile. I feel bad for him. And you see, the reason I feel bad for him is say he's pumping money into this campaign and they have already rigged the elections. And Kennedy deserves it. What they are doing to him today, he deserves it. Because at a point, I advised Kennedy Japan. Me too ne fo. Me say Kennedy. Oh ya dada, me so be ya dada. What toka ma toka. What to down America ma to down. In fact, me down me timu America. What time I would to down me down the value near more than what down America. It's a fact. Orange County down is one. Me down a wood this year. It is expensive than your building. Into emresa. I advised you as a young man, say, listen. Now, nyoma bi a wo ye no. These same people will let us know at the right time. You see what is happening? Bawumia is working against you. He's using your own weakness. Because you know me, if I decide to take you down in terms of facts and letting people know who you are, you cannot survive it. But hey, yes, MPP4. Now another contestant is using party pigs to denigrate you. Personal. Or my personal issues, personal attacks. All because everybody thinks was a Bawumia be a flag bearer. Bawumia can never win elections in Ghana. Kennedy, you can also never win elections. But at least check your wings. NPP, you free and fair elections.